That's the reason why, guys, na in love na ako kay Hello boss babes and bosses out there. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create 30 social media graphic posts from the blog article or from the podcast episode that you have for your client in just less than 15 minutes. Are you excited to learn how to do that? Just keep on watching. Now, before we are going to deep dive sa tutorial, no, don't worry, I'm going to share my screen para mas maintindihan nyo and para mas makita nyo kung paano siya gawin. Let me introduce to you Claude. Yes, Claude. I feel like na-mention ko naman siya sa part 1 na video. So, if you haven't watched the part 1, ito po yung part 1. Diyan po, tinuro ko yung paano i-convert yung podcast episode into blog article. Ginamit natin dyan si Perplexity and ChatGPT. And I've mentioned there that I'm also going to use ChatGPT sa part 2 natin plus Canva. But you know what? I changed my mind. I changed my mind, guys. Like, nope, for this video, I'm not going to use ChatGPT. I'm going to introduce to you guys Claude. Now, who is Claude? What is Claude? Why Claude? So now, guys, ito yung story kasi. For a couple of months talaga, si ChatGPT talaga yung parang naging best friend ko. You know what I mean? Especially, ChatGPT can understand Bisaya. If there's anything that I don't know how to express in English and I want answer, I just can speak Bisaya and even ChatGPT can respond back to me in Bisaya as well. Diba? Pero si Claude, hindi siya nakakaintindi ng Bisaya, dude. So, naging close talaga kami ni ChatGPT. But you know what ba, guys? Okay, ito yung story. Meron kasi akong boss dito na yung work ko is mag-manage ng Shopify. And then, sa Shopify, meron akong gustong magawa na feature. I'm trying to ask ChatGPT to fix my code kasi gumawa ako doon ng isang page. Actually, it's not a page. It's just literally lang a section lang sa page. And meron akong gusto i-achieve pero hindi ko siya ma-achieve. Meron siyang binigay na 3 options ko daw na i-fix yung problem. So now, trinay kong gawin yung 3 option na paggawa or pag-solve ng problem ko. Like literally guys ha, sobrang complex ng solution na binigay niya sa akin. So if you're a Shopify developer, you know that yung mga templates, diba naka-liquid file document siya. Pupunta ako dito sa product templates, liquid na file, dito sa asset, dito sa section, and change this, put this code, blah blah blah. Ang dami niyang instruction on how to do it. But still, hindi ko pa rin siya na-fix talaga guys. Kahit naubos ko na yung options niya. Like may 3 siyang binigay na suggestions. Pero wala guys. Hindi ko talaga siya na-solve. Okay, now, since hindi ko siya ma-solve and I need to solve it, I want to solve it, nagtanong ako kay Claude. You know what ba? Super straight to the point si Claude, guys. Like, hindi man lang niya ako pinatouch ng code. Sabi niya lang, Suzy, this is a simple problem to fix. You just need to change the setting, guys. Isang solution lang ang binigay ni Claude. I-change ko lang ang setting. Wala akong ginawang changes sa code ko. Wala akong pinuntahang mga liquid char dyan ng mga documents. Nag-change lang ako ng setting. Nakita ko at na-solve ko yung problem. Like, thank you so much, Claude. Yun yung story. Yun yung story, guys, na, like, bakit si ChatGPT pinahirapan pa ako? Pero si Claude, isang instruction lang and that's it. That's the reason why, guys, na in love na ako kay Claude. But wait lang. Disclaimer lang, baka itry nyo kasi tapos makita nyo. Gusto nyo pa rin si ChatGPT. Wait lang ha, hear me out. To be fair din naman, si ChatGPT still good, you know? Naka-ano lang ako, ChatGPT Plus. Naka-ChatGPT Plus lang ako. Hindi yung Pro Max, I would say. Kasi ang ginagamit ko na Pro Max, I would say, like, pinakamataas na subscription kay Claude. So, maybe, malaki siya na factor siguro na naka-Pro Max ako kay Claude. Tapos kay ChatGPT, naka-Plus lang ako. So, ayun guys, that is just a code thing na gusto kong i-fix. Kaya mas naging interested ako kay Claude. And to be honest with you, even the content writing kay Claude, like mas bet ko na siyang gamitin compared kay ChatGPT. So, what I do is that sometimes I just ask ChatGPT to translate the thing that I want to say in English and then I'm gonna put that one kay Claude. So, yeah, para-paraan na lang talaga, no? And now, I want you to experience Claude. That's why I'm using Claude right now. Guys, the prompt that I'm going to provide you, for free siya. You can use this kay ChatGPT or kay Claude, okay? It's still up to you kung sino yung gusto nyong gamitin, but for me, I'm going to use Claude. With that being said, I'm going to share my screen with you para ma-walk through ko kayo kung paano siya gawin step by step. Alright, so you are currently seeing my screen right now, and as you remember, this is the blog article that we have generated sa ginawa natin sa previous natin na tutorial, right? So as you can see, this is the one that we have generated, and we are going to use this in order for us to create 30 graphic posts para sa social media postings ng client natin. So this is what I would like you to do. First, create an account sa Claude. If you still don't have an account, it's so easy to sign up. The same lang din siya kay ChatGPT, very straightforward. And then here, it's also just the same lang talaga din. This is search button. This one is to customize. I just want you to go here. We don't have to be so specific here kung anong dapat gawin. Ito, projects. Meron din ganito kay ChatGPT, right? Like the folders kind of thing. And then this one is for the code. I just want you to go here, new chat. Click new chat, and then ito yung lalabas. Just copy and paste this. This is a comprehensive prompt. Technically, in-explain ko lang sa kanya kung ano yung gusto ko na output. Gusto ko ng output dito na mag-create siya ng spreadsheet file na pwede nating gamitin mamaya sa Canva, okay? And each entry, gusto ko na may hook text, may subtext, and then at the same time, may caption na. And then here, ito yung gusto ko na format, super detailed na prompt. Message me if you want this prompt. Pwede nyo to actually gamitin kay ChatGPT if you prefer ChatGPT. You can always tweak this one sa gusto nyong output para kay ChatGPT or para kay Claude. But for me, I'm going to use this. And then, ilalagay lang natin dito yung blog link. So, ang gagawin ko, I'm going to download this. Hindi ako maglalagay ng link. Instead, I'm going to upload this kay Claude. So, please check the blog article uploaded. So, yan lang. Copy ko siya. And then, i-upload ko lang yung file. Technically, super the same kay ChatGPT, no? And then, I'll wait for it. Naka-free plan po tayo. So, hindi nyo po kailangan na naka-premium. But, guys, if you have the capacity na mag-upgrade sa Pro account, then please do. It's super, super helpful talaga. And mas maganda yung na bibigay niya ng mga answers sa'yo. And then, now, click next. And let's just wait for it. Now, it says, I'll generate all 30 entries and create the spreadsheet. Now, while waiting, if matagal siya mag-respond, you can prepare na kung ano yung layout na gusto nyo. So, for me, I did this one. Saan ba tong template na to? Kasi template lang din to. Change ko lang yung logo, of course, the text here. And this one is just technically the same sa template na kinuha ko. So, ito yung template na kinuha ko for just a tutorial, guys, na maintindihan nyo kung paano siya gamitin, no? Para mas easier nyo siyang maintindihan. Now, let's go back and see if natapos pa. Ayun! So, ito yung na-generate niya. Again, guys, this is just for free accounts. So, oops, if mawala siya, don't worry, makakabalik tayo doon. Just click this one. And then, ayun, may ano na tayo, may 30 unique entries na tayo. Now, I want you to download it. And then, after downloading it, I want you to go here sa Canva. And then, make sure na may template na kayo ha. Or nakagawa na kayo ng template na gusto nyong malagyan ng mga text na na-generate natin. Now, I want you to go to apps. And then, search this, bulk create. So, kung meron kayong nakitang ganito, click nyo yan siya. And then, I want you to upload the sheet na na-download natin. So, click sheet. No, it's not this one. The first thing that you need to do pala is to upload it here. Upload the one that we got. Upload it here. And then, go back to the apps. And then, search bulk create. And then, click sheet. And then, click nyo itong na-upload nyo. So, lalabas itong pina-generate natin. Itong may entry number, so 30, tapos yung hook, subtext, caption, blah, 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 and all. Just click done. So, nakikita nyo itong data fields dito, right? So, now, what I would like you to do is to click the text that you want to, change. So, ito yung gagawin natin na hook text. So, click connect data, and then hook text. And then, this one for the subtext. Ganyan. Now, I just want you to click this, continue. Then lalabas yung mga data na nasa spreadsheet. And then just click create. And now, in just less than 1 minute, meron na tayong ganito. Now, you don't have to copy and paste anymore because all of the text andito na. Yay! Diba? Let me go here. So, meron na siyang mga text lahat. And it's all 30. I want you to go back sa lahat ng mga text nyo na na-generate and make sure the alignment is good. Kasi, hindi talaga ma-okay yung alignment kasi nagdidepende yung text na na-generate kung gaano kataas, diba? So, ayan. That's it. Just feel free to export it kung okay na sa inyo ang lahat ng mga texts and naka-align na siya properly. And then, what you are just going to do is to schedule it and just use the copy na na-generate together with this text here. So, it's so easy. You already have a full graphic content for the whole month in just less than 30 minutes. So that's it. I really hope maka-help sa inyo mag-generate pa ng content for your clients or maybe for your own social media, di ba? And yeah, this is again a quick reminder to you guys na kahit anong ma-generate na output ng AI, mapa-graphics man yan or mapa-copy man yan, please don't forget to double check it. Don't forget to fact check it kasi yan yung purpose natin mga humans, to add human touch. Especially if you're doing social media content for your client or let's say email marketing. Di ba may specific tone of voice yung every company? Make sure na naka-align siya sa tone of voice ng company nyo. We have to make sure na yung brand voice is batak na batak, hindi parang robot, di ba? Kung paano ba gumawa ng messaging yung company nyo, please always make sure to check kung ganun din ba yung na-generate, yung tone of voice. That's what I think is the best way in order for us to stay relevant sa job natin. Always remember that AI is just a tool for us para maging productive tayo and maging efficient tayo when it comes to our time. It's just a tool. Like, it's always with us, but hindi siya pwedeng maka-replace sa trabaho mo. Even though these are AI, sometimes they are generating content na hindi na tama or sometimes nag-hallucinate yung AI. So, always fact-check that kung ano yung mga sinasabi or ano yung na-generate ng AI, I would say, diba? I think na-mention ko to siya sa video na to. Na, wag nyo hayaan na AI lang talaga and that's it. Okay, na-generate na, that's it. Yung ganun, no. Dapat may human control para the quality assurance, dapat tao yung gumagawa. Yung ganun. Kasi we don't know. We can ask AI for help in generating content, helping us with the emails, helping us with the copies, helping us with the codes, or any other stuff na pwedeng makahelp si AI. But doesn't mean na siya na lang lahat. Dapat meron tayong way to make sure na yung mga deliverables natin may human touch pa din. So, nagas niyo ba? But anyways, I really hope naka-follow kayo step by step. If ever meron kayong questions or hindi nyo na follow yung step by step process ko, feel free to comment below, ask anything that you need to clarify sa task natin ngayon. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo doing it, diba? If you have any suggestions na i-content ko or meron pa ba kayong gustong matunan when it comes to Claude, right now, I'm deep diving a lot more sa Claude compared to ChatGPT. But yeah, just let me know what are the things that you are interested to learn. I'm happy to create the content for you guys. Just let me know, comment it below. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button so that you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. See you then sa other social media accounts ko. Follow us on our Facebook page, BossedUp PH. Join our Facebook group, I'm Ready to Boss Up by 𝐵𝐸𝐶. Follow me on my Instagram account at 𝐵𝐸𝐶 and at BossedUp PH. And then sa LinkedIn, you can connect sa akin, 𝐵𝐸𝐶 Suzy Sulatorio, and this one, BossedUp PH for the page. And yeah, ang TikTok, if you want to follow me on TikTok at 𝐵𝐸𝐶, ano lang yan, mga for the char na content. Kung gusto nyong ibang type of content, yeah, you can follow me sa TikTok. Hindi siya educational. That's what I would say. Thank you so much. If you are still watching up until here, tama ba yun? If you're still watching up until this part here, I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye!